Camaro SS, 1968, double option, Super Sport, Rally Sport, which meant you got hideaway headlights, the cowl induction hood, well, sort of cowl induction hood. GM had to compromise, they had to give it the chrome trim.
Induction hood as you could get.
It's close as, too bad they didn't offer the big ports on the cowl induction to make it real.
Right.
With a little flipper thing.
Is the actual drains.
Yeah, the
original, the drains are on either side.
I had a 66 Skylark Grand Sport, same thing. Chrome, and all it was real was the drains.
Right, right.
Now this car is loaded with options. It's got tilt steering, air conditioning,
Fold-down rear seat.
Really, tick-tock tack, sawtooth gauges. Does not have the deluxe steering wheel. It doesn't have rear shoulder belts. You ever seen that?
Yes, I have.
I saw one, and I also saw one with the spray stuff traction in the winter. Rare options. Got the correct key, Rochester Products key.
There you go. You won't see this very often.
Fold down rear seat. Now that came out of the Corvair. Corvairs had a fold down rear seat because they had a trunk in the front, so they adapted the option from the Corvair to the Camaro. A loaded SS RS 350. Sure, I'd like to see what you got. Beautiful paint job. Bumblebee stripe, hockey stripe, bumblebee stripe. Air conditioning.
Vintage air.
Very important in Florida.
Yes.
Where the sun never seems to set.
It is an original drivetrain car.
350, 295 horsepower.
Huh?
295 horsepower.
Yeah.
Yep. The Corvette was 300 horse. They put it in the Camaro. They dropped 5 horsepower.
But I did sneak Dart Iron Eagle heads on there. So I got a little extra.
A little extra, huh? Now here's the fan shroud I'm familiar with seeing.
Yeah.
Fellow over there has got a 69, and the fan shroud is tiny.
Right.
And I'd never seen one like that.
2 inches.
Yeah, this little fan shroud. You've got this big fan shroud. Very, very nice car with a deluxe interior. Molded door panels. They even had a houndstooth option for this. Now, was it only in 69?
But this is actually ivory, not parchment, which was a 69. But since this is a November 68 car,
early,
I have a 69 color interior and a 69 exterior that was ordered from the dealer. So it's correct for the car, but unless you had a November, December 68 car, you couldn't get that color interior or exterior.
Because parchment was offered in Pontiac even in the mid-60s,
right.
65,
and it was like
66.
a clamshell looking.
Had a metallic look to it.
Yep.
It's got door pulls. What a sweet car. It's got the Z27 chrome that came standard on the Rally Sport.
That's right.
Dress-up option, you could have...
And this down here, right on the bottom as well, was the same option.
And blacked out because it's an SS. Whereas an RS wouldn't have been blacked out, and that molding actually rises a bit. It's not a horizontal molding, it rises a bit. And strangely, even the big block cars got 14-inch wheels.
That's right.
The Z28's got 15/6.
Yeah.
Everything else got 14/7s.
Bonus for us on that.
What a beautiful car. What's this color called?
Huh?
What is the color called?
Rally Metallic Green.
Rally Metallic Green. What a beautiful job. Those headlights close so well. Got the front spoiler. You even have the little arm to reinforce it.
Support struts.
Yeah. What a great car. Thank you.
You're welcome.
From Sebring, I'm Corvair Wild on YouTube.
I'll look
You can look me up.
Absolutely. Thank you, buddy.